Hey everyone, if you're using Cash App and want to start building your savings effortlessly, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to enable the savings feature on Cash App. This tool is perfect for anyone looking to set aside money and even earn interest on it, helping you grow your funds without much hassle. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your phone. This ensures you have access to all the newest features. Open the app and log in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, head to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Banking tab. This is your hub for all financial activities on the app. In the Banking section, look for the Savings option. It might be listed directly or under a sub-menu. Give it a tap to proceed. Cash App will then guide you through setting up your savings account. You'll likely need to verify your identity, which could involve linking your bank account or confirming some personal details. Don't worry, it's quick and secure. After verification, you can choose an amount to transfer from your Cash App balance into your new savings. You can also set up automatic transfers for regular contributions, making saving even easier. One of the best parts? Your money in savings earns interest, so it's not just sitting idle, it's working for you. Keep an eye on your progress in the app, and you can withdraw funds anytime you need them. And there you have it. Enabling savings on Cash App is a straightforward way to take control of your finances. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy saving.